In today's video, I am going to tell you everything about how you can earn $1,000 on Reddit within 5 days. It doesn't matter if you have heard Reddit for the first time. Don't worry, I'll tell you everything about it. So without any further ado, let's get started. Friends, if you have heard about Reddit or using it on day-to-day basis, I am pretty sure that you have also thought to monetize it to earn some bucks. So in this video, we will be going to talk about that how you can earn a quite good amount of money from Reddit, and which is even 100% genuine. So making money on Reddit can be achieved through various methods, but it's important to note that Reddit is primarily a platform for discussion and community engagement, not necessarily a place for direct monetization. However, there are some ways you can potentially generate income on Reddit. So without any further ado, let's jump on point number 1. Participate in affiliate marketing. Yes, some subreddits allow users to share affiliate links to relevant products or services. If you are an active and respected member of a community, you can share affiliate links that aligns with the subreddit's interest. And do not forget to be transparent about your affiliate links to maintain trust. Now on second number, there is offering services. If you have a skill or service to offer, such as graphic design, writing, programming, video editing, etc., you can join subreddit related to those skills and promote your services. However, be sure to follow the subreddit's rule and guidelines for self-promotion. Now on the third number, there is selling products. If you have a product to sell, consider joining relevant subreddits or creating a subreddit dedicated to your product. Engage with the community and share your product when it's appropriate. Make sure not to spam or excessively self-promote. Now the fourth one is become a Reddit moderator. While this won't necessarily generate direct income, being a moderator of a popular subreddit can enhance your reputation and connections. Some subreddits offer perks to their moderators, such as exclusive content or opportunities. Now the fifth thing you can try is to participate in Reddit gifts exchanges. Reddit Gifts is a platform run by Reddit where users can participate in gift exchange. While this doesn't provide direct income, it can be a fun way to receive and give gifts based on shared interests. Now the sixth one is crowdfunding or donations. If you are involved in a creative project, subreddit members might be interested in supporting you through platforms like Patreon, Kickstarter or GoFundMe. Be transparent about your intentions and how the funds will be used. Now next is our seventh point, which is share original content. If you are a content creator such as writer, artist or musician, you can share your creations on subreddits that appreciate such content. Engage with users who show interest in your work and consider promoting your portfolio or social media channels where you monetize your content. Now the eighth point you can try is to participate in Reddit ads. If you have a business or a website, you can use Reddit's advertising platform to reach a specific subreddit audience. This can help increase your website's traffic and potentially leads to sales or conversions. And now here comes our last but not least, participate in market research. But before that, if you are liking this video and the information I am bringing to you, please consider subscribing to the channel and also like this video. So in market research, some companies and researchers use Reddit to gather opinions and insights. You might come across opportunities to participate in surveys, studies or market research that offer compensation. Remember that Reddit communities are generally against aggressive self-promotion and spamming. It's crucial to be respectful, contribute positively to discussions and only promote your products or service when it's relevant, and that too allowed according to subreddit's rule. Building trust and credibility within the community is essential for any form of potential monetization on Reddit. Please keep that in mind. So now we have reached to the end of today's video, and I hope you like the information I have provided, that how you can earn a real cash using Reddit. If this information seemed helpful and interesting to you, please like the video and also comment down that you have watched till the end. We'll surely meet in our next amazing tutorial. Until then, peace out.